Tired of brown patches? In this video, I'm giving you my full annual preventative fungicide schedule to keep your lawn looking awesome all summer long. Plus, I'll show you the secret tool for perfect timing, the specific products to use, and how to apply them for maximum protection. By this time, we've applied our spring weed preventer and our spring fertilizer. Time for a break now, right? Oh no, we need to get busy, because this is when lawn diseases start destroying everything we've done to make this year's lawn the lawn of our dreams. Sneaky little fungi are coming out of dormancy now and beginning to feed on the roots of our lawns. And here's the worst part, you won't even see the damage until it's too late. Early season fungicide applications control diseases that typically don't appear until summer, but become active in early spring, like dollar spot, brown ring patch, summer patch, and necrotic ring spot. It's the summer patch and necrotic ring spot that I have problems with every year. They both create circular brown spots that often have other more drought-resistant grass or weeds growing in them. That gives them the frog eye appearance for which they are famous. There are 3 very good granular fungicides at my local big box store that I use in my annual fungicide schedule. They are BioAdvanced, Bonide Infuse, and DiseaseEX. All 3 are granular fungicides that are convenient and easy to spread, and this is one situation where I need to use a granular fungicide. The fungus that causes summer patch and ring spot is a soil-borne pathogen. The granular form delivers the fungicide directly to the soil, where it's needed. You can't just stick to one product. You will need to rotate or change your fungicides throughout the season to prevent the fungus from developing resistance. Simply put, don't make more than 2 consecutive applications of any single group of fungicides. I'm using a Group 3 fungicide. These are best for early season disease control. As temperatures rise in midsummer, it's a good time to switch to a Group 1 fungicide. This offers better control for diseases like dollar spot. Finally, late in the season, when temperatures stay above 69 degrees on hot, dewy nights, switch to a Group 11 fungicide. This group protects against threats such as Pythium blight and brown patch. Here's a basic fungicide treatment plan for cool season grasses in the northern half of the United States, and the approximate time to apply them throughout the season. May, BioAdvanced, Group 3. June, BioAdvanced, Group 3. July, Bonide Infuse, Group 1. August, Bonide Infuse, Group 1. September, Scott's DiseaseEX, Group 11. October, Scott's DiseaseEX, Group 11. That will be when your 2-inch soil temperature is 55 to 60 degrees. Then make your following applications monthly. Be sure to follow all the directions on the bag and apply them at the preventative rate listed. The preventative rate will last for a month. Pay attention to the safety information as well. You must wear protective clothing and immediately wash it, including long pants, socks, gloves, and eye protection. You can determine the exact time for your first fungicide application at gddtracker.msu.edu. Just plug in your zip code and select the Early Season DMI tab on the right side of the map. Remember, the fungicide won't work until it rains or you water it in. If you are unlucky enough to get extremely wet and hot weather near the end of any monthly application, you may still get some fungus breakthrough, but a good preventative plan like this will prevent most diseases and help you achieve the lawn of your dreams. Don't worry if you miss the best time to apply your fungicide, you can still use it now, and it'll still help prevent further damage. Now get out there and have some fun on your lawn, and remember, you can do it.